and free. Waves like mountains crashing over me. With a heart made of iron and a will like steel. Through the thunder and lightning, I refuse to kneel. The stars my compass, the moon my guide. I've danced with danger on the rising tide. Each storm a story etched deep in my soul. A sailor's life, forever chasing the goal. Oh, the wind may howl and the sea may roar, but I'll keep on sailing to every shore. Through the tempest rage, I'll stand so tall, for the ocean's my home, and I've braved it all. I've seen the sunrise on a glassy sea, and felt the calm where the world breathes free. But the storms, oh the storms, they taught me grace. To face the fury and still